My favorite day of the week is here! Ohlolly unboxing time. Let's see what's inside. I actually get so excited when I receive these packages. It is like Christmas. This first one I opened is the vegan kombucha tea gel cream. But look at this. See? Oh my gosh. It's so smooth. Do you see that? Imagine on my face. Perfect. Hydrating, but super, super lightweight. These MediHeal toner pads have been all over the internet, so I'm super excited to try this. You are kidding me, Hydra. Oh my goodness, I've been so excited to get a new vitamin C serum. Matcha mud cream mask. I am going to have a latte on my face. It feels kind of like yogurt, thin, but would definitely provide coverage. Last but not least, Soonjung Barrier Intensive Cream. I naturally have pretty dry skin, so hoping this will do the trick. Head to Ohlolly.com to check some of these amazing products out for yourself.